This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 5th, 2022. It's currently March 25th, just after midnight, 2022. The overall theme and behavior is the Empress card. So we've got downward, sideways fluctuations, but with a downward kind of trajectory there, and it precedes a rally. So we've got downward, sideways fluctuations preceding a rally. I always like to throw another card down when I see the Prudence card. It's the hardest card in the deck to read. Ace of Discs can be a little tricky at times as well. This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 5th, 2022. It's currently April 3rd, 2022. The overall behavior and theme for the day is a sideways fluctuation with a downward trend that precedes a rally. Start off at looks like a high in the pre-market, and then we revisit in the pre-market, we revisit an important support level that was also a good opportunity, and we move sideways after hitting some resistance right around the open. We move sideways, fluctuating kind of like a sideways fluidity along a support level. There's a move higher through resistance level and then back down through that same price level shortly thereafter between the hours of roughly 10 and 11, and that also within that little pop higher is an opportunity, a trade opportunity. Looks like we have a reversal between roughly 11 and 12, and a trade opportunity right around 12. There's looks like a false bottom. There's some sort of fake out. I'm not sure if it's a false bottom, but there's some sort of fake out between roughly 12 and 1 o'clock with the trade opportunity just prior to it. Between roughly 12 and 1, there's also quite a bit of volatility, and there's a sharp dip within that volatility. That downward move continues between roughly 1 and 2, and then we have a push higher, notable push higher off of a support level between 2 and 3, followed by another decline between 3 and 4, and a trade opportunity again at roughly the second, let's say between like 2:30 and 3, and then again right around the close we visit an important price level at resistance, and we have a day's high correlated to the very end of the day. So it looks like that sideways fluctuation in the beginning of the day turns into a push higher. Looks like a push higher that starts right around the close or overnight. There's a push higher. Behavior moving into the high is going to be
Rally along a diagonal trend line that breaks through horizontal resistance, meets a second resistance, and then pulls back to somewhere between the two. Interesting day. In the sneak preview for the sixth theme is multiple failed attempts to break through a key resistance. It also goes hand in hand with if you get the overview for the monthly overviews, which are free. Just sign up for the newsletter on our website, tarotfortraders.com. It goes hand in hand with that, because on Wednesday the 6th it shows a rally that has an opportunity to open some short positions. So we'll get into that in the next reading, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.